हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में हम प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ठीक है। फर्स्ट वे सीधा डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट। प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट क्या होता है या प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन जो होता है, इट इज़ डिफाइंड as the supply and absorption of the chemical compounds which is required for the plant growth and metabolism. So this is the some nutrient, ठीक है, which was what happened plants for some like growth and some metabolic activities जो रहती है plants की, for that activities के लिए plant को require होता है। so plant क्या करते हैं, ऐसे nutrient को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट का जब प्लांट को सप्लाई होता है तो ये प्रोसेस कहलाता है प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन। सो इट इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स फॉर द प्लांट ग्रोथ एंड रिप्रोडक्शन। नाउ वी सी द एसेंशियल प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट। अभी एक टर्म आया, दैट इज एसेंशियल प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट। सो व्हाट इज द एसेंशियल प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट? सो एसेंशियल प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट, it is the element which required by higher plant. Basically it is required by higher plants and they are basically exclusively in a inorganic nature. Okay, so जो this requirements of the higher plants for this particular inorganic nutrient, they are basically different according to the organism from man, animal and ठीक है। and इसके अलावा a number of some जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म रहते हैं which are additionally need some organic food stuff. So for an element to be considered an essential plant nutrient, so this is the these are the essential plant nutrient. There is a basically 3 criteria given by some like scientist Anna and Start 1939. This is very important for your exam, ठीक है। now MCQs it question is mostly asked. So according to him, like 3 basic criteria. First is that a deficiency of the element it make impossible for the plant to complete its life cycle. It means if any one like nutrient like nitrogen is deficient in plants, so it cannot be fulfilled by some other nutrient. Okay, so only nitrogen जो application is fulfill the deficiency of nitrogen, and in the absence of nitrogen they can't be complete their life cycle. So the deficiency is specific for the element in the question. Now the element is directly involved in the nutrition of the plant, as for example as the constituent of the an essential metabolite or required for the action of an enzyme system. So we see the several terms like that: deficiency, insufficiency, toxicity and excessiveness. So what is the deficiency या deficient? What happen when some essential element, like example nitrogen, when nitrogen at a low concentration in plants, so that what happen, the severely limits the limit yield, like reduce the yield or like produce more or less distinct deficiency symptoms in like yellowing, ठीक है, discoloration, degradation of chlorophyll. This is the symptom of नाइट्रोजन, ठीक है। वेजिटेटिव ग्रोथ जो रहेगा दे आर ऑल्सो रिड्यूस. सो सम एक्सट्रीम डिफिशियंसी दे विल लीड टू द डेथ ऑफ प्लांट ऑल्सो. Now we see the insufficient. What is the insufficient? When the level of some essential plant nutrient that is below the required for optimum yield, or when there is an imbalance with some another nutrient. Symptom of this condition are rarely observed in the plant. Toxicity is when the concentration of the other, like it is just opposite of deficiency. There is what happen, so concentration of other essential अदर जो एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं, दिस इज सफिशिएंटली हाई टू द इनहिबिट द ग्रोथ टू द a great extent. So in the case of severe toxicity, they will also lead the death of the plant in the case of deficiency, as we also see. Now the excessive, when the concentration of an essential plant nutrient is sufficiently high to the result in corresponding shortage of the another nutrient. So because of excessiveness of the some nitrogen, there is shortage of phosphorus. So this is the excessiveness of the nitrogen. Now there is the list type of some essential elements, ठीक है. So they are divided on the different criteria like essential, primary, secondary, macro, micro, functional, beneficial, energy exchange जो वर्क है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, एंड एनर्जी स्टोरेज, ट्रांसलोकेशन रेगुलेटर एंड ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन. दिस आर द सम बेसिक जो वर्क है ऑन द बेसिस टाइप्स ऑफ एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स हैं. सो एसेंशियल बेसिकली एसेंशियल जो रहते हैं दे आर 17. सो हियर इज़ द 17 मेन एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स लाइक आपका कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस एंड पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, सल्फर, आयरन, मैग्नीज, मोलिब्डेनम, copper, chlorine, boron, zinc, nickel, and last one is nickel is that latest addition in the list of essential nutrient 1987. So on the this essential nutrient further divide on the basis of some work, जो important work है, like some is the primary, some is the secondary, another one is the macro. Macro is that when we apply a large amount, ठीक है, and micro is when we amount a little amount of the some nutrient to the plants. Okay, like micronutrient is iron, manganese, molybdenum, copper, chlorine. So these are some micronutrient where we apply only a small quantity for the when we see the some deficiency symptom or for some additional growth or additional yield of the our crop. So beneficial में है there is rubidium and selenium, nickel, chromium, ठीक ये. एनर्जी एक्सचेंज लाइक हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन जो है दे आर द वर्क इन एनर्जी एक्सचेंज. एनर्जी स्टोरेज CNPS and translocation regulators कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम. ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन में आयरन, मैग्नीज, जिंक, कॉपर, बोरॉन एंड कोबाल्ट. दिस आर द सम एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स एंड दे आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर वर्क or some metabolic activities. There is the according to mobile and immobile the different elements like listed mobile and immobile. Mobile is the nitrogen, potassium, magnesium and phosphorus, chlorine, sodium, zinc and molybdenum, and immobile is the calcium, sulfur, iron, boron and copper. They are the mobile and they are the immobile. So this is the some function of essential plant nutrients as we see in the wheat. This is the now we see the function of nitrogen. So increasing the growth and development of all the living tissue because they are provide the vegetative growth of the plants. So basically it is required for the greenery and greenness in the plants, and increase the germination of the crop also, and improve the quality as well as, and it increase the utilization of phosphorus and potassium. So this is the now we see the function of phosphorus. Phosphorus is basically promote the formation of root and growth of the roots, and when there is deficiency of the phosphorus, the quality of fruits is reduced. So it is improve the quality of fruit also. So rhizobium जो है they are increase by the help of phosphorus. So it is help in also the increasing the nodulation in the rhizobia bacteria. Seed formation and early maturity also done by the phosphorus application. Now work of the potassium, basically it provide the resistant in the plant against the moisture stress and like some biotic and abiotic stress. Now they improve the quality because plants को ये resistant provide करता है, तो that's why ये जो भी qualities है वो भी increase हो जाती है यहाँ पर plant की. So lodging resistant in the cereals like जो भी rice है, wheat है, उसमें lodging बहुत problem होता है because of the heavy rain, ठीक है. So they are provide resistant in the cereal crop. Wilt resistant in a cotton and mosaic virus resistant in cotton. तो this some like disease है जिससे resistant provide कर रहा है. Now we see the function of calcium. They increase the symbiotic fixation of the atmospheric nitrogen. So basically nitrogen fixation में help कर रहा है, and so also it increase increasing the availability of molybdenum also. So this is the function of magnesium. It is the constituent of chlorophyll, as we all know, and help in the photosynthesis of the plants, because this is the when the chlorophyll formation, this is the main constituent of the chlorophyll. So basically it help in the photosynthesis activity of the plant. So now we see the function of sulfur. As you know, synthesis of the glucoside in mustard soil and promote the nodule formation also. Function of iron, a key role in the nitrogen fixation, and they help in the photosynthesis also and formation of the chlorophyll. Now function of manganese, the chlorophyll synthesis and development of the chloroplast, increase the availability of P and calcium in the plants. Now we see the function of copper. They are also help in a chlorophyll formation and electron जो ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन रहता है, that is ETC from the chlorophyll. Function of the gene, role in the photosynthesis, it regulate the oxygen concentration, it is very important point, and flower setting and proper development of the fruits. Function of the molybdenum, synthesis of the protein in the plants and also help in the nitrogen fixation by the rhizobium bacteria, and the increase in the availability of phosphorus and sulfur in the soil. Boron, they are help in the development of tissues and help in maturity, because when in a tomato there is deficiency of the boron, fruit cracking is occur. Formation of the cell wall. So here is the essential nutrient for plant growth and their principal form for the uptake, like carbon जो है chemical symbol is C and uptake form is CO2, and hydrogen uptake form is H2O2 H plus, like that जो है वो है, so on that you can note down in your notes. These are the essential plant nutrient. Symptom is appear basically N, P, K, M, G and MO. Their deficiency symptom is basically appear in old leaves, and sulfur and iron, manganese, copper basically symptom appear in the deficiency symptom is appear in a new leaves, and zinc old and new leaves, and calcium and boron in a terminal buds, basically a deficiency symptom in a terminal buds. And like symptom is like that in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, magnesium, molybdenum deficiency symptom generally appear in old leaves, and जो symptom है that is the dead spot, and जो है वो होता है आपका K and MO में, and no dead spot in the nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium में. And in a nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, green veins होते हैं मैग्नीशियम में, एंड येलो वेंस ऑकर होता है एन में. तो दिस आर द डिवाइडेशन. दिस ओल्डर लीव्स अटैक तो होता ही है NPK MG MO का, बट यहाँ पर दो तरह के अटैक हैं. एक तो होता है जिसमें डेड स्पॉट बनाता है, तो ये KN MO बनाता है. एक में डेड स्पॉट नहीं बनते हैं, और एक में येलोइंग होता है, एक में ग्रीन वेंस हो जाते हैं. तो ऐसा डिवाइडेशन यहाँ पर हुआ है. Now we see the deficiency symptom of the nutrients like nitrogen. Basically nitrogen जो रहता है, the deficiency जो है generally chlorosis, ठीक है, because there is degradation of the chlorophyll of the lower leaves and like older leaves, so because of the lower leaves, light green to yellow color and necrosis of the older leaves. Necrosis it means death of the total tissue, ठीक है. Yellow discoloration from the leaf tip backward in the form of V is common. Now phosphorus turn dark green both leaves and stem also, and edges of the जो leaves रहते हैं they become the purplish in a color. So there is the older leaves are affected first, and they may acquire a purplish discoloration due to the accumulation of the sugar in a phosphorus deficient plant. So there is accumulation of sugar, because of that this purplish color is occur. So which favor the anthocyanin synthesis, and this purplish color, so the reason behind this purple color is the anthocyanin, which is accumulate because of the which is synthesized because of the sugar concentration. Now we see the potassium. Reduction in the growth rate with chlorosis and necrosis occur in the later stage. These are the deficiency symptom occur in the older leaves. सो इफ़ हेल्दी प्लांट्स, सो इस तरह का लीफ रहेगा. फॉस्फेट डिफिशिएंट पर्पलिश कलर. पोटेशियम में यू कैन सी एजेस पे ही है, बट नाइट्रोजन टिप से स्टार्ट हुआ है, बैकवर्ड तक गया है एंड सेंटर मार्जिन्स पे अटैक हुआ है. कैल्शियम जो है डिफिशियंसी टर्मिनल बर्ड्स में आती है बेसिकली. सो टर्मिनल बर्ड्स लीव बिकम क्लोरोटिक, डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है क्लोरोफिल का, विद द वाइट बेस रिमेन्स वाइट, ठीक है, एंड बेस जो रहेंगे द रिमेन ग्रीन, एंड डेथ ऑफ द टर्मिनल बर्ड्स. डिफिशियंसी कॉज द इन blossom in rot in tomato and some bear, and in a cauliflower tip hooking physiological disorder is occur because of the deficiency of the calcium. So in the today's video हम यहीं तक डिस्कस करेंगे, we discuss only and further